program?
The program was very good. It was a good initiative. We learned a lot of things from here, and this is such an informative program. And I think this has to be, it has to be spread among all the important institutions and schools here in the present district, now Kokrajhar district area. Thank you. And yes, and this has to be promoted further, even out of the district also. Among all the 5 districts of BTR, this has to be promoted. And this is a great job by NSS unit of St. Anne's School.
How many students are participating?
Today, I think we have, you're talking about St. Anne's School, St. Anne's College, right?
In your school?
In our school, we have not yet started this NSS because it's in the school level right now. So let's see, we are looking for better in the future, for better participation in the future. Yes, sir. And great job by the volunteers from St. Anne's College, right? Thank you for that.
First time?
Yes, it is the first time. This has been the first program here in our school. And yeah, that's it.
जों साबायखर बावनाय थाबाय आरो जोंखौ बहाय लेंहरनायनि थाखाय ब्रह्म बाबा टेक्न' स्कुलनिसिम जोंनो जे प्लेटफर्म होदों जों जोंनि एवेयारनेसखौ स्प्रेड खालामनो हादों जों सेन्ट एन्स कलेजनिफ्राय फैदों एनएसएस इउनिटनिफ्राय जोंहा दिनै सेकेन्ड डे ओमफ्रायहाय जोंहा आरोबाव जानो थांबावो दङ जागासिनो दङ मेरला लाइक वुमेन्स हेल्थफोरनि थाखाय एवेयारनेस लाबोनाय वुमेन्सफोरनि थाखाय सेफटि लाबोनाय आरो गथ'साफोरखौहाय एनकारेजमेन्ट खालामनाय आरो जोंनि इयुथफोरखौहाय जोंनि इयुनावहाय जों सेल्फ डिफेन्स जानानैहाय आवगायलांनो थाखाय जों भेरियास एक्टिभिटि लानानै दङ आखायाव दङ जोंहा मैयाबो जानानै थांखांबाय जों एडप्टेड भिलेज बा बेफोराव थांनानैहाय जोङो एवेयारनेस प्रग्राम खालामनानै फैबाय आरो दा दिनै जोङो ब्रह्म बाबा टेक्न' स्कुलाव फैदों स' बेनि थाखायनो बिराद माने गोसोआ जों गोजोननाय मोन्दों आरो थेंक इउ बुंनो सानदों जोंना टपिकाहाय माबा दिनैना चाइल्ड ट्राफिकिंनि सायावमोन
Organization was really meaningful. There are some children out there who have no idea how the world works, and I hope they understand a lot of things from this program. And it was a really great skit, and children should know how the world actually works. There are parents who fail to teach their children how alert they should be, and this program may help them more. And I hope this type of organizations take place more and more in the future, and we expect a lot of more programs from them towards our schools.
मयनिग्रा बसुमतारी आं ब्रह्म बाबा स्कुलनिफ्राय दिनै सिनियर्सफोरा फैनानै जोंखौ बुजायफैदों चाइल्ड एवार्डनेसनि सायाव जों एवार्ड थानांगौ होननानै
मा फोरोंबावदों
आरो जोंनो ड्रामा देखायनानैबो फोरोंदों बिदिनो
माबायदि नांदों सोलोंनानै बेबायदि
सिनियर्स मोजाङानो मोजां थेंक इउ